Hello guys, I'm back with another video. To all those who watched my previous videos and subscribed to the channel, thank you very much for showing your support. I really appreciate it. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can reset your Windows 10 password by using Windows installation disk or a USB bootable Windows installation media. In my previous video about how to reset Windows 7 password without using a Windows installation media or a third-party tool, we used Windows internal tools to reset our password. Now, few months back, it would have been possible for Windows 10, but it's not anymore. The reason is in latest Windows 10 builds or in latest version of Windows 10, even if you boot into Windows error recovery mode, it will still ask you for a user password. Now to reset our password for Windows 10, we are going to use a bootable USB installation media. Now if you want to learn how to create USB installation media for Windows 10 or any other Windows edition, you can look up one of my previous videos. Now once you have created your Windows 10 installation media, you have to boot from it, either using a disk or using your bootable USB drive. Once you have successfully booted using your Windows installation media, whether it's a USB drive or a disk, you'll be provided with this screen. Here click on Next, and on the left side at the bottom click on Repair your computer. Then click on Troubleshoot and then click on System Image Recovery. Now it will ask you for what operating system you want to perform system image recovery. Select your operating system and it will take you to this screen. Here it will give you an error that Windows cannot find a system image on this computer. You don't have to do anything with it, just click on Cancel and then click on Next. Here on the left side click on Advanced. Now here click on Install a driver, then click on OK, and it will open up an Explorer window for you. Here you will have to locate your Windows drive, means the drive on which your Windows is installed. In some cases it could show up as local disk E, local disk D, local disk with any alphabet. So in my case it's local disk D. Go into your Windows drive, then go to Windows, scroll down and go to System32. Once you have System32, you will have to locate two files. One is cmd.exe. Here it is. And second is utilman.exe. This one. Now what you have to do is you have to rename utilman and give it a different name. In my case I prefer giving it .pak, that is .backup, but whatever name you give to it, please remember it, because once you are done with resetting your password you will have to rename it back to its original name. So once you have renamed your utilman.exe file, press enter. Now you will see that after even entering the new name it will not show up. So what you have to do is right click anywhere in this blank space and click on refresh, and when you go back to utilman you will see that your utilman file is renamed. Now go back to CMD. Simply enter CMD keys on your keyboard. It will either take you directly to it or you can scroll back up. Now once you're on CMD, right click on it, click on copy, and again click anywhere in the blank space and click on paste, and again refresh, and you'll see that CMD copy has been created. Now go back to original CMD file, right click on it, click on rename and enter utilman and then press enter, and again it will not show up right away. You'll again have to refresh, and when you go to utilman you will see that CMD file has been successfully renamed to utilman.exe. Now almost the work is done here. close everything. You don't have to do anything here anymore, and then click on continue for booting into your original Windows operating system. Now once you're back into your operating system, go to the login screen, and on the right side bottom corner you will see this icon for ease of access. Now in our previous step we renamed utilman.exe, the original utilman.exe, to a secondary name, and we renamed cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Now the utilman.exe file is directly linked to this icon. So when we click on this icon, it will open up utilman.exe. And as you can see here, when we clicked on ease of access icon, it opened up cmd.exe. The reason is we renamed cmd to utilman, and this icon directly opens up utilman. Now in this case, that file is a cmd file. So you have your cmd open here. Now in cmd you have to type in control space user passwords 2 and then press enter. And as soon as you do that, it will open up this window and it will show you all the users that are present in your Windows right now. In my case, I have only one user, so select your desired user, click on it, and then click on reset password and enter whatever password you want to enter for your user. Once you've entered your password, click on OK, then again click on OK and close out of this CMD window. Now here enter your newly created password and press enter, and you'll be logged back into your window. Now this is almost 80 to 85% work done here, because there's one thing left to do, that is to rename all the files back to their original name. Reason being, if I try to open CMD from here, it will not open up because the original CMD file is renamed to utilman. So what you have to do is you have to boot back into your USB installation media or installation disk. I'll show you. Once you have successfully booted using your Windows installation media or the USB drive, follow the same process as you did previously. Here click next, repair your computer, troubleshoot, system image recovery, select your operating system. Here click on cancel, then next, click on advanced, install a driver, click on OK. It will show you the Explorer screen. Go to your Windows drive, go to Windows, go to System32 and locate the file name utilman. Now as you can see here, there are two files. The utilman.bak is the original utilman and the secondary utilman is our CMD. So what we are going to do is we are going to rename utilman to CMD, press enter, right click on blank space and click on refresh, and then again locate CMD. Now as you can see here, the CMD is back to its original name, and we also have the CMD copy here that we created earlier. So what you can do is simply delete it and then again refresh. Now go to utilman.exe, the renamed utilman.exe, and rename it back to its original name, and then again refresh and locate utilman.exe, and there you go, it's renamed to its original name. Now our work is done here. Close everything and reboot back to your original operating system. Now once you have successfully booted back into your Windows, enter your newly created password, and you can recheck that everything has been done correctly by simply entering CMD in the run window, and there you go, your command prompt is running back up again. So this was the whole process of resetting Windows 10 password by using a Windows installation disk or a bootable USB Windows installation media. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If some of you are not able to perform all these tasks properly, or if you are facing any kind of problem and if you get stuck somewhere, please type in your query in the comments. I'll surely help you out with it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably next video will be about how to reset your Windows password by using a third-party tool, and that tool will be applicable for all the Windows operating system, whether it's Windows 7, 8, 10 or Server editions. So if you guys like the video so far, please like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments. I'll really appreciate it. And till the next video, have a nice day guys. Take care.